In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to manage Chase business transactions. The first thing you want to do is set up online access, so sign up for the Chase business online banking. If you haven't already, then download the Chase mobile app for on-the-go access. Then use Access and Security Manager, so log into your Chase business online account, navigate to Account Management, and then select Access and Security Manager. Create unique user profiles for employees who need account access. Then assign specific rights and set transaction limits for each user. Then monitor transactions, so log into your Chase Business Online account regularly. Review recent transactions for accuracy, then set up account alerts to receive notifications for specific account activities. Then manage deposits, so use Chase Quick Deposit for check deposits up to your monthly limit. For cash deposits, use the Business Deposit Express services. Fees may apply for deposits over $5,000 per statement period. Then handle payments and transfers, so use the Payment Center for digital payments to employees or vendors. Then set up recurring transfers between your Chase accounts or to your external accounts. Use wire transfers for larger or international payments. Fees may apply. Then approve the transactions, so for transactions requiring approval, go to Pay and Transfer and then Pending Approvals. Review and approve or reject pending transactions. Then edit the transaction details if necessary before approval. You can also manage overdrafts, so monitor your account balance regularly to avoid overdrafts. Set up overdraft protections by linking a Chase savings account. Be aware that a $34 overdraft fee may apply per transaction that overdraws your account. Then review the statements, so access monthly statements through the Chase Business Online. Then reconcile transactions with your internal records. Keep statements for at least 7 years for tax purposes. Then you want to utilize business services, so explore additional services like merchant services or business credit cards to streamline your finances. Consider upgrading to Chase Performance Business Checking or Chase Platinum Business Checking for higher transaction volumes or additional benefits. Remember to always keep your login information secure and report any suspicious activity immediately to Chase customer service. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.